Good morning, friends. Dustin here. You're watching the Life of Lynn channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Today I'm sitting about 10,000 feet above sea level, and it's cold because this is the first weekend of October. We are going to attempt to go fly fishing for the very first time. Got me and my buddy Brady here. We got the off-road adventure rig, and we got our brand new fly poles that we've never cast before. So, onward and upward. Hope you guys enjoy today's adventure. Hopefully, we'll actually catch a fish for once. But look at the view. All right, we're gonna get the truck broke down. We stayed here last night. It's a balmy, like 34 degrees this morning. Feels colder. So we're gonna get down to the water, go into a place called the Dream Stream here in Colorado, just below 11 Mile Reservoir. We're gonna try it out. See if we can catch some trout. How's it going, Brady?
We'll find out.
We are in this beautiful valley here. Look at all the flatness. It's so weird to be in a mountain range in a really flat area. We were advised to start fly fishing in a place that doesn't have a lot of trees and giant rocks to get stuck on. I think that's probably a good idea. But supposedly the fishing's good here, right?
That's what I'm told.
Yeah, there's a lot of people that come up here, and well, we're here on a Friday morning. Sun just came up, and there's a couple of cars in the parking lot already. We're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna go get my fancy fly fishing gear on and give it a shot. We're gonna walk on down there. It's nice. All right, we're making our walk. My gear is already moving around and slipping.
You're off the net, buddy.
My net's dangling at my knees. And, oh, that's my fanny pack falling off as we speak. It's a good start so far.
I ain't helping you, buddy.
I don't have hands. That's okay.
You want me to hold your tippet?
We're on our way to the Dream Stream with a handful of other people, so it's pretty heavily fished. I guess the fish are pretty smart. So we're up against a battle. Yeah. It is catch and release only, but that also means there's gold medal trophy trout in there. Trophies.
Oh, yeah.
Holy smokes. Huge salmon right here. 5 feet off the bank. Yep, like right. He's right here in front of me now. Clearly, what we're casting is not on the menu today, because this dude is just like, nah, bro, I'm good. Caught himself his first fish of the day.
It's a big one.
It's a big one.
Oh, see that fight?
Oh, it's fighting. It's fighting hard. What is that?
Baby rainbow.
Yeah, I was gonna say it looks like a little rainbow. Fine work there, huh, Brad?
No, she's a beaut. Be free.
Be free, little fish. Be free. They're going after them little bugs that I keep seeing in the air.
No, we caught one.
Hey, first fish done out of the day. That means we'll catch a bunch more, right?
Got our money's worth.
Hey, when was the last time you caught a fish? Well, we enjoyed fishing today. We're going to do it again first thing tomorrow morning. How many fish did we catch today?
Well, I caught 2.
He caught 2.
They were big ones too.
Huge rainbow.
Yeah.
I haven't caught anything yet. On the downside, we came to find a new campsite not too far from where we want to be fishing, and people were just not picking up stuff. Guys, if you're going out in the wilderness, don't make it a mess for everybody else. That's how these places get closed, and then we don't have it anymore. Let me give you a little tour of what we got going on here. Got the adventure rig over here. Somebody was clearly here recently. There's like radiator hose guide, pants. These are pants, aren't they? Yeah. Somebody's shorts, twisted tee, another booze. Clearly they're new to camping because there's like all these tags for new shirts and new camping utensils, new headlamp. Toilet paper, so that's probably a pile of poop. Toilet paper, so that's probably a pile of poop. This goes on. Cigarette butts, more butt wipe. All these like white specks, that's all trash. Torn up cans. Then apparently somebody had some firearms, because you get down here, we got clay pigeons. They didn't pick any of that up. They didn't pick up any of their brass. It's all 9mm. There's some 223 stuff down there. So I'll probably pick all that up. And then it's just a disaster all the way down the hill. And over there. And over there. And over there. Oh, look, there's a D battery.
Hey, there's 2.
Yeah. Yep. Don't be a douchebag. All right, so we remedied our situation with the campsite by parking next to a bunch of other people at our actual camp. And now we're working. See? Work beverages, work snacks, and what are you doing?
Work.
What's it? Working. I'm also working. So we have that.
Hey, Dustin, can you hand me the tippet?
Do you need me to hold your tippet?
It'd be helpful.
Okay. Would you look at that? Just look at it. Beautiful morning so far. How's your boots this morning?
She's cold.
It's about, what was it, 35, 36, something like that?
Your truck lies.
Yeah. Feels a little frosty. Had a little rain last night.
Look at the stream.
Yeah, the stream is steaming. I hit it up a little early this morning because it is a Saturday and it is supposed to get stupid busy up here. So hopefully we get in there before everybody else. The first parking lot down there already had like 25 cars in it, and it is 6 a.m., 6:30-ish. What time? It's like 6:30, right?
Have we got up?
No, right now. It's like 6:30. Okay, it's time. We're here.
It's not up yet.
Sun has not crested the mountain. We're walking in right now. Maybe today we'll have better luck. What do you think?
Hey, you gotta catch something, dude.
Yeah, I'm horrible. I'm still holding the title as world's worst fisherman. Oh, I don't know. Look at that. That is just... I could wake up to that in a day. Oh, we're on a really high bank right here. All right, day 2. Got our fly rods. We're at the Dream Stream. So apparently, what did we hear? This is actually a really bad place for newbies to go because the fish are under such high pressure that it's really hard for people that don't know what they're doing, i.e. us. But now we're professionals because we fished yesterday.
So to caught a fish.
All right, so we're good. All right, getting ready for the first cast of the day. Found some nice little pools over here. Let's see what's in some deeper bits over there. Some deeper bits right over here. Yes. There it is, first cast of the day. Wish us luck. Oh, seriously?
What happened?
Fly came off again. It's not gone well. Well, tying it the same way I've tied it the last like 20 times and they worked out fine, but the last 3 just come right off. Dude, I don't know what's going on right now. Fish jumping right where we're casting. Nothing. Well, friends, we're back. Had a nice little 3-day fishing trip. Ran both these guys 24/7 for all 3 days. Just got back home. Figured I'd pull this stuff out and show you where we ended up. Now on our LiPower MARS2000, I never even hooked up a solar panel or tried to charge it. Battery condition is currently 45%, and that's been running this set power 45 quart fridge at 29 degrees that entire time. We've also charged a couple devices off the USB ports on here, cell phones and a camera. So really 45% is pretty good considering it's been running that long. Plus we're out here today and it's still on. So real happy with the performance of both these. The fridge, it's pretty heavy duty. It's got a metal exterior. The top is plastic, but as you can see, my 200-pound self can sit on it. It doesn't cave in or anything. Nice and cold in there still. This kept all our frosty beverages frosty for the last several days, and I'm pretty pleased. I'm going to hook up the solar panel to this thing real quick and I'll show you that. Yeah, lightweight folding solar panel, 100 watts. This little guy's got holes on it so you can actually hang it from hooks from the sides of things or in trees or whatever works. The more direct the sunlight, the better, of course. There we go. 100 watt panel. I'm currently getting 70 watts off of it. Not too bad because the sun's at a pretty high angle and this is basically facing that field over there. Well guys, what a trip. I had a blast fishing even though I didn't catch any fish this time. And this gear worked out really good. So I'm going to go ahead and recommend these ones. And by doing that, I'm putting the link down in the description. So if you're interested in any of this gear, look, these things even kind of match. Huh? Yeah? I don't know. Maybe you need a refrigerator that works off of a solar panel. This fridge only draws like 40 to 50 watts when the compressor's working, and this one panel is pulling in 70 watts right now, not even aimed at the sun. So that means you'd have plenty of power going in to keep your battery bank topped off and to charge a couple accessories, no problem. This will probably be handy for some of you folks that I know recently gone through some storms and you got no electricity, no way to keep your food cold. This is a good backup. You know, keep it in your camper for camping season, but when an emergency arises, grab your gear, bring it out, and put your most important food in here. This thing will go all the way down to 0 degrees, so you could make it a freezer as well. And that's all I have to tell you guys. Pretty happy with it. Thank you for watching my next review that I had. I think I have one more lined up for you, and then I'm going to kind of cool it and get back to work here pretty soon. We got some cars to fix. All of them, again. About time to put the Shadow Cruiser away for the year. So it'll probably be coming out of our adventure rig for a bit. Gonna do some updates on that over the winter. And we got a long trip planned for this rig. Probably a couple thousand miles, so I gotta get that dialed in before we go on that. But I will bring you guys along for that adventure as well. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. We'll see you next time. He is not interested, man.
Thank you.
It's gone well already.